Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to be bringing you this chalk paint furniture makeover. I have had this piece for about 20 some years now, and we haven't been using it, but my son's bedroom set must have been a lot cheaper version, a lot cheaper material, and it had completely fallen apart. So I have decided to give this one a makeover. He picked the color he wanted, and I did the work. So the first thing that I do is I remove the knobs off the dresser because I wasn't gonna paint. Sometimes I'll paint right over top of the knobs as well, but this time I wanted the knobs off. And once they are all off, I clean it with a kind of a bit of a degreasing type of cleaner, just in case if there's things stuck like sticky stuff or just anything that's stuck on it. You do not need to do too much of a prep before you put chalk paint on, but there is some prep. Sometimes you need to do light sanding if things are really stuck on there, because if you don't, your paint will not stick on it.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow.
So here are the supplies that you will need to finish this project. You will need a chalk paintbrush. I am using Annie Sloan Chalk Paint in Graphite. And then for the finishing, I'm opting out of using the actual wax, and I'm using the Rust-Oleum Clear Matte Protective thing. So I have used this on previous projects, and I like how easy it is to apply. So the first step that I'm doing is painting it. I believe when I first started, I was for sure thought that it was going to need 2 coats, and I was right, it did need 2 coats. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and this is my DIY channel. The reason why I say that is because I do happen to have 2 other channels, a home decor cleaning channel and a cooking channel, and the links to all of my channels will be down below. But on this channel, you can find tons of furniture makeovers, as well as dollar store DIYs and trash to treasure thrift flips. So if this is something that you enjoy, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family, and make sure you press that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I have tons of furniture makeovers coming your way in the next month or so, so make sure that bell is on so you don't miss them.
lost outside of nowhere. A stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted scissor worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, for as long as I remember.
So here is what it looks like after the first coat went on. There is still quite a bit that needs to be covered. So I'm going to let this dry for a couple of hours, and while that's drying, I also have a side table to work on, which is the same process as the other one, and here it is all painted with the one coat. This one covered a little bit nicer than the dresser did, but still needs a second coat. And then I also have a headboard and a footboard to work on. So I will show you just what different things that I used to finishing this headboard, because it had so many little nooks and crannies. I did end up using a much smaller brush for the top, right where the little wrought iron design is, just to add the paint. It worked a lot easier than trying to fit a big brush to get in there. And this as well needed 2 coats of paint. Just before I moved on to my second coat, I did give the top a bit of sanding. I just using a light sandpaper. I think it's 180 grit, so it just gives it a bit of a smoother finish, I think anyways. But I did not do that for the rest of it, just for the top. I did do the same thing for the rest of the pieces, but I just didn't want to share all that with you and bore you with the repetition. And to apply the clear coat, I am using a sponge, just a sponge brush, and I give it a good coverage. I want to make sure that all of it is covered. You can also apply a second coat of it if you want. I was quite happy with the way the first coat finished, so I did not go and repeat the process. But if you think that you're going to be using the piece a lot and there's going to be a lot of traffic on it type of thing, then I would definitely add 2, even 3 coats of this. So here's the finished product. I do love the way it turned out. I think the color that he chose was perfect for his decor, and to take it from this green color to this beautiful graphite finished product is, I think it's a great upgrade. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram, and once I get the proper bed rails, I will have the whole furniture set up and I will post it on there for you to see. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.